So that's our segment about euro dollar. No questions. I see. And now let's preview next week's events. So Monday, no big event. If we'll have surprising news over the weekend from Trump's transition team or anything else, that will be reflected on Monday. On Tuesday, we have existing home sales, significant about the US economy. It's for the month of October. Wednesday is quite busy. Eurozone Purchasing Managers Indices, durable goods orders, which reflect investment, very important for the Fed, also feed into GDP. New home sales. Each sale of a new home reflects more economic activity, wider economic activity. As always, oil inventories and the Fed meeting minutes. The Fed's meeting minutes is the key event next week. It's from a meeting in November, earlier this month, when the Fed did not make a move on interest rates. The meeting without a press conference, a meeting without new forecast. That means that the meeting minutes will have more to reveal. And this time, it'll give us the final hint for a rate hike in December. I want to show you this. According to current expectations, markets expect 90% chance of a rate hike in December. Okay? Because we heard that from the Fed, because of fiscal stimulus, and because of data that has been quite good. So that's the key event next week. Remember, in theory, this is a document that reflects what was talked about back in that meeting. In practice, it's edited until the very last moment. Okay, so a very busy Wednesday. On Thursday next week, we have the German IFO Business Climate, Germany's #1 think tank. Let's see if the mood changes because of Trump, and Japanese inflation. Watch for the Bank of Japan's core inflation figure, because the Bank of Japan prefers listening to its own figure and not the official data from the government. And on Friday, a revision on UK GDP for the third quarter should remain quite okay. Okay, so these are the events for next week. The main event, as aforementioned, is the Fed meeting minutes on Wednesday evening. All right.